Hi, Investie Besties. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are a returning Investie Bestie, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate you and you and you and you being here today, okay? On this channel, I'm just documenting me and my family of 5's journey to 5. That's financial independence, retire early. We're going to be retiring in 5 years at age 42 so that we can do the things that we want to do and take our hours back. So if you're interested in investing, maybe real estate, maybe net worth, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, all of that good stuff, you are at the right place, okay? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, join us. I share real numbers. I take you inside of our zillion investing accounts to show you what is possible with the right mindset, okay? So on today's video, it's a really exciting one. I have some great news that I wanted to share with all of you. I also am going to do a January mid-month check-in of our investing plan because we want to make sure that we stick to our goal of growing our net worth by $1 million in 2022, or at least get as close as possible to that. And then finally, we're going to be doing our check-in just for the investing challenge. I just want to make sure I'm connected with you guys, making sure you guys are staying consistent with putting your money aside. So let's talk about this exciting news, this exciting announcement that I have for you guys. So we're going to do a drum roll. I am starting a Patreon, okay? Now, you guys, a lot of you have been asking me about this because a lot of you are ready to go to the next level. You're like, Shalise, we're excited about investing. Like, we know what a stock is, we know what a fund is, but now we're ready to take off the training wheels, girl, and we want to kind of get like you. So I was like, okay, I need to figure out a way to create a space where we can really dive deep into all of this. And so I decided to create a Patreon, and actually several of you have been asking me to do that. I wanted to tell you about the 3 tiers, give you some information about what the Patreon is, and I'm hoping that you guys will like it, okay? And join me over there. So I have 3 tiers. The first tier is the Investie Bestie Pro, and yes, you see me looking down because you know your girl is going to forget, okay? But my notes is on the screen, and you'll see it up on the screen as well. So the Investie Bestie Pro is $5 Patreon, and what that gets you is access to my lives. So my lives will automatically be private only on YouTube. It will only be for Patreon members only, okay guys? Patreon members only. So the Patreon members will get the link to that live when I'm about to go live, and if you miss the lives will always be up, so you can access it through the link whenever you get a chance to come around and watch it. So I will be answering the questions. We could talk about current events that relates to money. We could just sit, chit chat, chill, just really enjoy each other's company while we talk about ways to grow our money without like the robots and the spam and all of that can get into your chats. It'll just be the Investie Besties in that live, okay? So it'll be a really safe space. And of course, with that, you'll get Patreon only posts that I will post up into that group and like our chat community. So that's what you'll get for $5 with the Investie Bestie Pro tier. Moving on to the second one, this is the Investie Bestie Platinum. So this will give you everything I just talked about with the first one, but you'll also get exclusive content, okay? So for example, if you remember that workspace collab I did with my sister Chrissy over at the Mom Life, it's going to be more like that, some behind the scenes. I plan on vlogging our rental property journey, so that content will be available to Patreon members who are this tier at least. If I have some like videos I want to do with my daughter, maybe some money relationship videos with my husband, and that will be available only for this tier, and of course the VIP tier, which I will talk about as well, guys. And also that content will just be 1 video per month, so I don't want to take up too much of your time, but that extra content will be some of the variety that I just mentioned. And then last but certainly not least is the Investie Bestie VIP, okay? The VIP. For $20, you would get everything that I just said in the Investie Bestie Platinum, okay? You get everything in the first tier and everything in the second tier, but you also get some extra goodies in this tier as well. So you will also have access to our private dividends group. So a lot of you have been really asking me about, we really want to get into dividends. We love your approach. We just want to really focus more on that. And I got y'all, okay? I got yo, we're going to really dive deep into dividends, dividend yields. We're going to learn how to read companies. We're going to meet once per month for 30 minutes. So the last Wednesday of every month, I'm going to come live again on YouTube, but I will send those special links out to your VIPs only. You guys can join me. If you miss it again, it will always be available. We can talk, we can chit chat, we can talk about our portfolios. And again, just will be 30 minutes because it's good to always check in, and accountability is always great when you're on a journey like this, especially when the market can be kind of wishy-washy like it is right now. It'd be up one day, down one day, up one day, down one day. And so I love having accountability groups and partners, and the Investie Bestie squad members are just all that, okay? All of that. Also, you will have a free tracker. So if you want a spreadsheet version or if you want a printable version, and I will have a post more about that in Patreon so that you guys can see it, but I am going to create a dividends tracker. I do use one in a spreadsheet form, and my daughter wants to start one as well, and she's going to have the printable. You would get that for free since you are a member of the VIP. You just pick one and I will email you the said document, okay? You will also finally get 5% off any service or product off of my website, mt1finance.com. So if you want to book a one-on-one, you want to buy a tracker, you will get access to 5% off, okay? And again, before you purchase anything, shoot me an email, say, Shalise, okay, I want to buy this, I want to get my 5% off, and I'll give you a special code, okay? A special code. So those are all 3 of the Patreon levels. Again, guys, I really tried to make sure I think about this and really provide and give you something that will be of value so that you know that I appreciate all the support and all of the love, and I really am excited to embark on this new venture. Now, again, on my YouTube channel, I will always have beginner investing content, pretty much the same stuff that I do right now. We're just going to go to the next level, okay? We're going to take the training wheels off of our investing journey and really go, okay? I'm trying to bring you up to where I am. So moving on. So now we're going to be doing our January mid-month check-in for our investing plan. But again, our money goals for the month was to research metaverse more. I am still doing that, and I am really liking some of the information that I'm finding. So I'm still doing research about that, and to complete the cash out refi. So we did submit the application, but the housing market is going up, and I'm really noticing that the prices are increasing. So my husband and I are going to talk in the next couple of days about maybe increasing our budget, and then as a result, we may have to borrow a little bit more from the bank. But of course, I'll keep you guys updated on that. So, but that's ongoing. And then we're going to open up the solo 401k for MT. So this is a completed goal, but what we decided to do was to open up a SEEP IRA, because now that we're done the Roth, so usually if you're going to do the backdoor Roth, you cannot have another IRA open. But because we completed the Roth, we're going to go ahead and do the SEEP IRA and then convert the SEEP IRA over to a Roth IRA. But yes, so we are opening up that, and I know you guys have been asking me to do a video on that, on investing for self-employed, and that is coming as well, okay? It's in the queue. It's in the queue. So let's talk about our pre-tax investing. We did do that. Our 401k was increased, HSA. You probably have noticed that too in like your first paycheck in January. So that was done. We did make the deposit into the retirement for MT, so that's good. We did start and complete the backdoor Roth IRA, so I'll link that video somewhere on the screen if you wanted to go back and take a look. We wanted to also put most of our money this year in dividends. That's ongoing. And you know what I'll do at the end of this video, I'll do like an invest with me, and I'll invest $100 into our Robinhood dividend portfolio, because a lot of new beginners have subscribed to the channel, and I want you guys to see how simple and easy it is to invest, and you don't need a lot of money to do that. So stay tuned, okay? We did add money to our kids' accounts. I'm gonna show you our tracker. So yes, this is something that I offer on the site in the Wealth Builder bundle. So our plan was to contribute $5,000 to their accounts this year. So each piggy is worth $89.28. So we deposited $250 into their accounts out of the first paycheck. So that's about 2.5 piggies, and their accounts are with Fidelity. So we come down to notes to self. So make sure our portfolios are balanced and diversified. I have been doing that. So I'm really excited to see our portfolios continue in the direction we want them to. And of course, the money affirmation. This is ongoing through the month. Let's change the face of wealth, okay? The face of wealth. And then what I'm reading and watching and listening to, this is ongoing. I really have been enjoying Till Debt Doers Part. Okay, guys, if you have not heard of that show, type it into YouTube. Free episodes. I mean, It's like seeing deja vu because I was in a lot of those situations, and I'm so glad that we came out on the other side. But that's a really, really good show. So check that out. So that is our January mid-month check-in. We're doing really good so far, and I'm excited to see how we close out the month. And speaking of that, let's talk about our investing challenge for January. So we are investing in Disney, and we are invested in the Vanguard Communications Sector ETF. And so again, guys, we're putting our $1 aside each day. So at the end of January, we will have $31 to invest, or if you're investing like every paycheck, if you are investing every day, whichever is comfortable for you. The idea is just at the end of the month, we want to have a position. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm about to do my spiel. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a fiduciary. I share financial knowledge. And at the end of the day, I teach with the receipts. Okay. I show you our portfolios, how we're doing. And the whole market right now is down. Okay. It's everywhere. Whether you're in tech, whether you're in financials, whether in your communications, whether in crypto, all the market is down right now because of the Fed going to increase the rates and inflation. But we already knew this, and we are buy and hold investors. We're thinking 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 years from now. Okay, so we buy and hold good companies because nothing's going to happen to Disney. Have you seen their parks lately? Nothing's going to happen to Amazon. I mean, in this budgeting community, we could probably keep Amazon afloat because we all order from them so much. Okay, guys, Walmart, Tesla, nothing's going to happen to them. But try to remember, guys, that when the market is selling off and everybody's getting scared and selling their shares, think about what Warren Buffett is doing right now, or these hedge fund managers. They are buying low. Okay, guys, so we buy low in good companies, good companies. If you want to know more about how to research, check out this video here. It's always good to be a knowledgeable investors, but we buy and hold good companies, and we just keep it moving. Okay, guys, so I am going to turn this camera around so that you guys can see me invest $100 into Robinhood. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get on over to Robinhood so that we can put $100 into our dividend stocks. Okay, see you over there. You can see all of our real numbers. Okay, we have all of our stocks over here. So currently this account is sitting at $21,860.65. The market is open. It is January 14th. It is a Friday. So the market is open. So you may see this number kind of move around as I'm filming this. This is how much we're down on the day, 0.14%, which is not a whole lot. It's about $30.43. Really, really amazing. As you can see how our account has been trending overall, just kind of leveling out here in 2020 and then going up a little bit in January. So again, guys, if you see the market is red, just zoom out on your portfolio. I always say, when in doubt, zoom out, go to all, and then you can see, oh my goodness, my portfolio is up like almost 55% versus on the day where it's down like $21. Okay, guys. So we have our buying power. This is how much money we have available to buy stocks. And if you want a Robinhood account, an M1 Finance account, I have all of my referral links down below. So we have $102.96. I thought it was 100, but extra $2, extra $3 don't hurt. So I am going to come over here. Now I did change this. I want to see total return. If you click these little 3 buttons right here, you can go to last price. So we can see how our portfolio is doing. The market just has been down, but we want to buy 3 stocks today. So we're going to buy some Coke. That's ticker symbol KO. And I have it all written on my phone here. So we have $34.32 we're going to put into Coca-Cola. I'm going to make sure I have buy, not sell. Buy. You can invest in shares or dollars. We're doing dollars today because we're doing $34.32. That's going to get us about 0.56, a little over half a share. We're going to click review order. It's going to give us an order summary. It's going to say they're going to do a market. So there's 2 ways you can buy stocks: market order or limit order. Market order, it simply says I will buy the stock whatever price it is when I click this buy button. Limit order says, you know what, I want to buy Coca-Cola at $60 and let's say 75 cents. So the platform will not execute your order until it hits $6.75. I always do market orders because I find over time it really doesn't change how much you make in a stock. So I just go ahead and buy it. Click buy. Order was placed. Okay, so that is awesome. Go back to this little icon feather so that we can come back to the main page. All right, so let's go on and put some more money into Bank of America, guys. Bank of America, you see that we have about 18.7 shares. We are investing in dollars and we're buying $34.32 worth of Bank of America. That's going to get us 0.71, almost 3/4 of a share, which is great. We're going to press review order and buy. And our order was purchased. We're going to come back, go back to the main screen. We have $34.32 left to invest. And I'm going to put this in Altria or ticker symbol MO. Invest in dollars again. $34.32. And it shows you right here. So if you ever want to know, like, how much money do I have left to buy? It always says it at the bottom here. How much buying power, how much money you have left to invest. So this is going to get us 0.68, over a half a share of Altria. I'm going to click review order and click buy. Then we're done. And if you come back here, you see all of our portfolio right here. And we have no money left. No money to put in our portfolio. Every little bit adds up and you don't need a whole lot to invest. Okay, guys? So this is all of our portfolio. All of our portfolio. We do have some dividends pending. Let me show you those real quick. Okay, guys. So this is some of the dividends that we have pending right now for January going into February. See Realty Income pending $11.10. Main Street Capital, they pay every month $4.38. So does Realty Income. Cisco Systems, a good technology company, $7.40. And so that is pretty much the video for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys will join me over on Patreon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Bye-bye.